and cultural richness. This extraordinary celebration emerged in 2010 under the leadership of Mayor Angelito Gatlabayan, unfolding as a testament to the city's unique identity. Picture Antipolo in a time when carriages and cars were still unheard of, a bygone era where simplicity reigned. It was during this juncture that Sumaca took root, blossoming into the vibrant spectacle we know today. This festival stands as a testament to the city's evolution, showcasing its major products and transforming Antipolo into a compelling destination for curious souls and avid explorers alike. Sumaca, a portmanteau of suman, kasoy, manga, and hamaka, which is used before as a means of transportation, encapsulates the essence of Antipolo's culinary and cultural presence. Imagine the tantalizing aroma of freshly cooked suman and the sweet crunch of kasoy, both of which hold a special place in the hearts of locals and visitors alike. These flavors, passed down through generations, are not just delicacies but a bridge connecting the past to the present. Now, as we go into the Sumaca Festival, let the vibrant hues of Antipolo's culture unfold before your eyes. This celebration is more than a mere event. It's a symphony of tradition and modernity, a dance of flavors and colors that beckons you to join in the festivities. So, without further ado, let the rhythmic beats and vocal melodies guide us as we embark into the heart of Sumaca Festival.
Bye-bye. Come on, the ballad! isa. Yo, Jujay! Go, go! Ang sarap po yan.